Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you a quick makeup tutorial on how I achieved this look. Let's get into it. So I'm starting off with a mattifying primer. I love this Rimmel primer, especially during the summertime. It works well for oily skin and I tend to use it more in the summertime. After I'm done with the mattifying primer, I typically like to go in with a hydrating primer, and I'll be using the Fenty hydrating primer for this video. I use it just to have like an extra added hydrating base before I go in with my foundation routine. So for my foundation, I'd be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Foundation. Like I said, during the summertime, I am an oily skin girly and I tend to sweat a lot. So I like to use mattifying makeup products because I feel like it works best for my skin. And after each application, I like to set my makeup with the Charlotte Tilsbury airbrush setting spray. I love this setting spray. I think it does wonders. Then I go on to add my under eye concealer to conceal my under eye. And I like to do this little fun thing where I pretend that I'm contouring my face or just highlighting areas on my face just to make my face a little bit brighter and to make the makeup pop a little bit more. So I go in with my beauty blender and make sure that everything is blended evenly. And as you can see, like I really don't like it when my face gets dry whenever I'm doing my makeup. So every single time I am going in with a new makeup, I always like to make sure that I spray my setting spray after each application. That way I know my makeup is sitting still and not moving anywhere. Then after I'm done with that part of my face, I typically like to do my eyebrows next. I'm not usually the type of girly that does her eyebrows first. I used to be, but then I realized that this one worked well for me. So I've just been doing it like this for the longest time. So I like to make sure I follow the shape of my eyebrows and I go in an upwards motion. And by doing this, it kind of just naturally blends with my own brows and I love it that way. Then I forgot to add that I typically use that Benefits brow gel to make sure my hair stay in place. And by the time I'm done with my brows, I like to make sure it's cleaned up nicely with the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer. And like I said, any single time my face gets dry, I make sure that I put setting spray just so that my look stays seamless. Um, After I'm done with my brows, I like to go in and do my eye first. So I like to use the concealer to make sure that I've gotten a good base for my eyelids before going in with my eyeshadow. So today I'm going to keep it very simple and just do a basic eyeshadow. I was going for a neutral look, so I'm doing brown, like a yellow and a gold layer to just to add some highlights to my eyes and not do anything too crazy. And I'm setting my face again for the 10th time in this video. So I like this Rare Beauty blush. Oh, I'm so sorry. I like this Rare Beauty blush by Selena Gomez. This is in the shade Believe. I just want to give a shout out to the Rare Beauty line. I think they're doing an amazing job and I love all their blushes. I wish I can have a collection. Soon come. Anyways, I have a mini dance break in between because of course I listen to music while doing this makeup. Then back to my makeup. I like the Fenty Beauty bronzer. I like to use it to add some warmth to my face and just give me that, tan look that everybody wants to go for in the summertime. I do that around my nose as well, just to add some more color to my face. And of course, I set my face for the 1 millionth time because why not? And I just take my eyeshadow and go underneath my waterline because it makes my eye pop a little bit more. Before going in with my setting powder, I use this powder puff from Sephora. to make sure that I have powder evenly distributed under my eyelids and around my face. Anywhere I typically put a concealer on it, I would tend to use setting powder in that area. Then I do my eyelashes with the Maybelline Lash Lift. Honestly, this is such a great mascara, I won't lie. I'd be using this brown lip liner from Sephora. I think Sephora is doing a really great job with their gel liners. I've only tried this shade, but I really like it. And I thought I would go for like a bold lip in this video, so I went with that red, and I topped it off with the Fenty Gloss Bomb because I just thought it would complete the look and tie everything together. Just look at that. Skin is giving, glowing. I wanted to make sure I looked really ready for the final shot, and I just had to put my hair in place. But this is it. This is the makeup look. I think it was pretty easy and straight to the point. And I did lay out all the products that I use in this video throughout the video. So if you need a recap on that, you can watch the video again, or else I will put them in the description below. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching my video. I'll see you in my next video.